Let's talk side hustles. Everyone wants more income. Time is precious. You need something efficient, something that fits into your busy schedule without overwhelming you. Enter online surveys and focus groups. These platforms offer a flexible way to earn some extra cash, right from the comfort of your home. They're not a get-rich-quick scheme, but they can be a decent way to earn extra cash. You won't become a millionaire overnight, but every little bit helps. I stumbled upon this world a few years back. It was a revelation, a new way to make use of my spare time. Like many, I was skeptical. Could it really be that simple? Just share your opinion and get paid for your opinion? It sounded too good to be true. I had my doubts and plenty of questions. Sounded too good to be true. But curiosity got the better of me and I decided to give it a shot. Turns out it's not that simple. There are challenges, technical glitches and moments of frustration. There's an art to this game. This is my story, a journey filled with lessons learned the hard way. The ups, the downs, the brutal honesty of the online survey grind. It's a roller coaster of emotions. Think of it as your crash course. A guide to navigating this world with a bit more ease and a lot more confidence. Learn from my mistakes, maximize your earnings. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. Together we'll make the most of every opportunity. It all started with a banner ad. You know the ones. They follow you around the internet, whispering promises of easy money. Make $100 a day in your spare time. Yeah, right. But this one was different. It talked about sharing your opinion on products. Simple stuff. I was intrigued. I clicked. Down the rabbit hole I went. Countless websites promised surveys for cash, gift cards, even products. It was overwhelming. But a seed had been planted. Could this be my ticket to some extra spending money? I decided to give it a shot. Big mistake? Maybe. But that's how we learn, right? My first platform. Honestly, I barely remember. It was one of the big names, plastered all over the internet. I signed up, eager to start raking in the dough. Reality check. My initial earnings were pitiful. We're talking cents per survey. Hours of my life traded for the price of a cup of coffee. Discouraging, absolutely, but I was determined to crack the code. I started noticing patterns. Some surveys paid more than others, some platforms were more reputable. Slowly but surely, I began to refine my approach. The learning curve was steep, but hey, every hustle has its growing pains. Section 4. The grind is real, navigating the survey landscape. In this section, we dive deep into the world of online surveys, a landscape filled with both opportunities and pitfalls. The biggest challenge, wading through the sea of scams, is like navigating a minefield where one wrong step can lead to losing your personal information. For every legitimate survey site, there were 10 more looking to steal your data. These sites often look convincing, making it hard to distinguish the real from the fake. Learning to spot red flags became crucial. From checking the website's security features to reading reviews, every step was essential in ensuring safety. Low-paying surveys were another hurdle. Time is money, people. Spending hours on surveys that barely pay can be incredibly demotivating. Spending an hour on a survey that pays pennies is soul-crushing. It's important to find surveys that offer fair compensation for your time and effort. I learned to value my time and set earning thresholds. This meant only participating in surveys that met a minimum payout, ensuring my efforts were worthwhile. And then there were the technical glitches, surveys freezing midway. These interruptions not only waste time but also add to the frustration, getting disqualified after spending precious minutes. This was another common issue where you'd invest time only to be told you don't qualify. It was enough to make me pull my hair out, but I persevered. Despite the challenges, I kept going, driven by the potential rewards. Why? Because I knew there was potential here. With the right approach, online surveys could be a viable source of income. I just needed the right strategy. By being cautious, valuing my time, and staying persistent, I could navigate this landscape successfully. Section 5. Level up tips for survey success. Surveys can be a great way to earn some extra cash, but there are a few things you need to keep in mind to make the most out of them. So, what did I learn? Firstly, patience is key. Surveys can be time-consuming and the rewards might not be immediate. Don't expect to get rich quick. It's a gradual process and consistency is crucial. Treat it like a marathon, not a sprint. Secondly, do your research. Not all survey sites are created equal. Find reputable platforms with good reviews. Look for user feedback and ratings to ensure you're not wasting your time. Look for sites that offer a variety of survey types and payout options. Thirdly, be strategic. Target higher-paying surveys. Don't waste time on surveys that don't align with your interests. Focus on those that offer the best return for your time. And most importantly, set realistic expectations. Understand that this is a side hustle, not a full-time job. Online surveys won't make you a millionaire, but they can provide a nice supplementary income. But they can be a decent side hustle if you approach them with the right mindset. Enjoy the process and take it as a learning experience. Remember, your time is valuable. Use it wisely. Prioritize surveys that fit into your schedule without causing stress. Now go forth and conquer the world of online surveys. With these tips, you're well on your way to making the most out of your survey-taking journey.